Did you know? Avocados have skyrocketed in popularity. Once considered an exotic treat, they're now a staple in kitchens worldwide. From avocado toast to guacamole, this creamy fruit has captured our hearts and taste buds. But avocados are more than just a trendy food. They're a nutritional powerhouse, especially beneficial for your heart health. Ready to unlock the secrets of this heart-healthy superfood? Let's dive in, and stay tuned for a bonus tip at the end. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. These creamy green fruits are not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, making them a staple in heart-healthy diets around the world. These nutrients work synergistically to keep your heart pumping strong. The combination of these elements helps to maintain optimal heart function and overall cardiovascular health. Potassium, folate, fiber, and monounsaturated fats are just a few of the heart-healthy heroes found in avocados. Potassium helps to balance blood pressure levels, while folate supports healthy cell function. Think of them as your heart's best friends, working tirelessly to keep it in tip-top shape. The fiber in avocados aids in reducing bad cholesterol levels, and the monounsaturated fats are known to be beneficial for heart health. From lowering bad cholesterol to regulating blood pressure, avocados are like a multivitamin for your cardiovascular system. They provide a natural and tasty way to support your heart's health. In the following sections, we'll explore the specific ways avocados contribute to a healthy heart and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Whether it's in salads, smoothies, or even on toast, the versatility of avocados makes them easy to include in your meals. Get ready to embrace the power of the avocado. With their numerous health benefits, avocados are truly a superfood that can help you maintain a healthy heart and a balanced diet. Let's talk cholesterol. There's good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. Avocados are champions at boosting the good and lowering the bad. Their secret weapon? Monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats act like a cleanup crew, clearing out the arteries and improving blood flow. Think of avocados as your heart's personal trainers, helping it stay fit and efficient. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're making a delicious investment in your long-term heart health. Remember, a happy heart starts with healthy fats. High blood pressure is a silent threat, often with no symptoms. But don't worry, avocados are here to help. Packed with potassium, avocados help regulate blood pressure naturally. Potassium acts as a counterbalance to sodium, relaxing blood vessels and promoting healthy blood flow. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. This can be a game changer for weight management, another crucial factor in maintaining a healthy heart. So enjoy that avocado toast guilt-free, knowing you're nourishing your body inside and out. Deliciously healthy avocado recipes for your heart. Avocados are not only creamy and delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are great for your heart. Now, the fun part. Let's explore some delicious and heart-healthy ways to incorporate avocados into your diet. From breakfast to dinner, avocados can be a versatile addition to any meal. First up, avocado toast with a twist. This isn't your average avocado toast, it's a canvas for creativity. Ditch the plain avocado toast and get creative. Add a variety of toppings to make it more exciting and nutritious. Top your toast with sliced avocado, a sprinkle of feta cheese, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. You can also add cherry tomatoes, radishes, or even a poached egg for extra protein. Next, guacamole perfection. Whip up a batch of fresh guacamole using ripe avocados, diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and a touch of salt and pepper. For an extra kick, add some jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce. And how about an avocado smoothie surprise? This is a great way to start your day or refuel after a workout. Blend your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a scoop of protein powder with half an avocado for a creamy and satisfying smoothie. Try adding spinach, banana, and a splash of almond milk for a nutrient-packed drink. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating avocados into your meals. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own favorite ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. Whether it's in salads, sandwiches, or even desserts, avocados can add a delicious and healthy twist. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. With avocados, you can enjoy a variety of tasty and heart-healthy dishes every day. Picking the perfect avocado tips and tricks. Choosing the right avocado is key to enjoying its creamy goodness. Look for avocados that are slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. A darker color usually indicates ripeness, but it's always a good idea to give the avocado a gentle squeeze to be sure. Avoid avocados with bruises or dents, as these could indicate internal damage. And remember, avocados continue to ripen after purchase, so you can buy them slightly firm and let them ripen at home. Storing your superfood. Keeping avocados fresh. Once you've found the perfect avocados, it's time to store them properly to maintain their freshness. Selecting the right avocados is just the first step. Whether you prefer them firm or soft, knowing how to store them can make all the difference. Store unripe avocados at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. This allows them to ripen naturally and evenly. Direct sunlight can cause them to overheat and spoil faster. To speed up the ripening process, place them in a paper bag with a banana or an apple. The ethylene gas released by these fruits helps avocados ripen more quickly. This is a handy trick if you need ripe avocados in a hurry. Once ripe, you can store avocados in the refrigerator for a few days to slow down further ripening. This helps extend their shelf life so you can enjoy them over a longer period without them going bad. To prevent browning, store cut avocados with the pit intact and squeeze a little lemon or lime juice on the exposed flesh. The acidity from the citrus helps to slow down the oxidation process, keeping your avocados looking fresh and appetizing. Now you're ready to enjoy your avocados at their peak of flavor. Whether it's on toast, in a salad, or as guacamole, properly stored avocados can elevate any dish. Enjoy the creamy, delicious taste of perfectly ripe avocados every time. Your turn to go green. Share the avocado love. Congratulations! You're now an avocado aficionado, armed with the knowledge to incorporate this heart-healthy superfood into your diet. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. Bonus tip: add a dollop of avocado to your next salad for a creamy and healthy boost of flavor. Now, go ahead and share your favorite avocado recipes and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives, one avocado at a time.